Hello all, here I am going to show you some settings of Ideal Editor. First, open Ideal Editor, click on Option menu and select Configure Ideal. Change font size and check on bold. Select highlights and change the theme dark. Select General, change Open Shell window to Open Edit window and click on Apply. OK. In shell window I am showing to some simple code. So first it's plus operator and second one is minus operator here, and third is multiply operator, and here is division operator. It's also division operator. In next window we will start coding in Python. Okay, thank you all.